Looks like there's a race to place a cube over into another tower. Blue wins it.
This is what I call a capture program. What it does is it introduces students to engineering, science, technology, and math concepts through a fun and innovative way, and through robotics competition. Who doesn't like to build robots and play with robots, and who doesn't like to join in competitive games? And what it does is through having them have proximity to these design concepts and to these foundational concepts of STEM, mathematics, design, programming, it allows them to become familiar with things that they might otherwise stay away from in the academic realm. But now that they've been introduced to it, maybe they're a little bit more willing, and in most cases very willing, to expand into other courses of study through this program, such as computer science, pre-engineering, and other career technical education courses, just because of this introduction, to this very broad program.
It's very nerve-wracking being up there and working with everyone and having to be on the go all the time. But once we're back in the pit, we're very chill and it's okay and we know everything's going to be fine. So, I would say it's a really good experience.
The program tries to bring together elements from the classroom into a competitive environment. And that's what I love about the program, is that it makes a connection, a practical application through knowledge and fundamental academics that they're learning in the classroom, and they bring them together as part of this program.
Right now we're building a stacker, and we built a clawbot. So after that, we go through a whole process of where we find problems and we evaluate them and see what to fix. And once we do that, we just basically run through it, find the program.
All of these things will be able to translate into any job or profession or industry that they would need to go to. And that's really what our employers are looking for. They're looking for those potential employees who are, coachable, trainable, who do well with others, who have diverse approaches to specific problems. And that's what this program teaches those students.
It's really fun, and I wish to see more girls in the program. You really have to have a hard head when it comes to talking to these guys when you're a woman. Our last competition, it was more of a practice run because we were very new to it. So this time is more we're in there for the competition and we're ready.
So it's a great learning tool, the competitions are, for our students to prove that they understand the concepts needed to perform in these competitions, and that they understand the fundamental concepts that they're learning in school as well. Here coming up, we have the largest open invitational event in the state. It's called the APPI Open Invitational, presented by Kanawha County Schools. And you're going to see over 75 competing middle school and high school teams, and close to 120 elementary schools that are going to be competing for those last few spots for the state robotics competition.